We are born runners. Our love of running drives us on. We want to go farther, on and on to new challenges, on to new horizons, on to the next level. We run for us. We run for our goal. We run for our dreams. Nothing can stop us. No wind, no weather. Because we want to be out in front. To get there, we give our all. With ACO, we have the world's most experienced experts for stadium drainage at our side. So that we can start safely at any time. ACO, creating the future of drainage.